Still fairly new.
And for someone that drives,
Come on, Taylor, shoot it!
Yeah, you said it's automatic.
Shoot the ball, Blue! Go, 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 go! Up there, let's go!
Hey, don't upset her right now.
Upset her? She already seen it. She's seen it in person.
Yeah, I would wait till after the game. You're gonna get her thinking all game.
It's funny.
It's funny. I felt.
She'll be fine.
Then you go by her.
I got here early to go over there.
she also said she didn't know she was going to start crying.
She did say that.
She will cry because I was crying.
You see her at the end of the game.
I know. I was like ecstatic.
She told me to go over there, dude.
Now we got to go to the show like for her. Yeah, he did it with my sister. And they thought that it was okay.
She didn't want to get in trouble.
But here's the thing. It was like, it's not like
She didn't want to get in trouble.
She didn't want me to mess it up. I was gonna do it anyway.
nice ball.
Even if she didn't help me.
Way to be aggressive.
How do you do it?
You don't know that because you didn't have a conversation.
One thing I said, can I do it? Because as a joke, she's like, you're not getting that.
Center, center, center! Nice ball! Go, Taylor, to goal!
I promise that I would
Get a foot on it! That's back. Two! Go! There you go!
I didn't eat them. I was holding them for you. No, I didn't. Hey, look. I got gum in my mouth. I'm not eating chips.
Yo, can I have a hug?
I'm not.
Cold.
What's your score, Nature? Who are they playing? What score?
Rich? No.
I don't see both.
Yeah.
Are they playing? Yes.
Yeah. Can I have a hug?
Is that purple?
No, it's not purple.
Horrible idea.
They're the ones in blue.
No, I'm saying, is that white and then the letters are purple?
Probably, if not purple. Yeah. Maybe purple here. Yeah. I love you. Yeah, you can like not knock my drink over there. That'd be nice.
Go two, go two! There you go!
She did, but then she took it off.
First two, Blue! Turn and go, turn and go, turn and go! Outside! It's all right, Belle.
Where are they at?
Ready, go! There you go, Tay. Go, Taylor, go, Taylor! Back out. Go, Taylor, go! Stop, stop, stop!
Riley goes.
This is not
What's the last name?
Girls are offside, Taylor. And you're way off by your tail. Sergeant, come on, Belle!
That was out on red.
No, I don't get it either. It's weird. It's not like that. I think it's like possessed.
That's tough. That's the field.
Go, Blue! Check two, check two!
No, I don't know.
Move, Blue, you gotta move!
Like watch it.
Let's just pick a team.
Yeah, it's just
To
like,
go back and forth, is that?
I don't know if it is it like lacrosse or whatever's
The last touch team. It's the opposite.
okay.
Yeah, but Room Bridge touch and they gave.
Come on, Blue, you gotta give her something.
See, I noticed that too. Like a couple games
Go, go, Taylor.
But I never soccer. The extent of my soccer is like
Go in the middle, in the middle. Go ahead, Taylor, go. Some speed. Go, baby, go. Come on. Hey, Taylor, go to it. Good. Go to it. Good job. Hey, Ron, turn and go. Turn and go.
yeah. I watched it.
Make a run, move around, Blue, move around! Up. Go, baby, go! Go ahead, Taylor. Step up, they're offside, offside! Good job, Blue! Make a move, Blue, make a move! Keep going!
I think that's right up there.
Turn and go, baby, turn! Baby, you gotta hold the ball with you!
I don't know.
Unlucky, let's go!
Oh,
You're there! Again, yeah. Shoes off.
I actually have no clue how good she was at some cross country though. She said she was so good, but I really don't know how true that was. I didn't even know what cross country was at that time. Which isn't hard by any means. But like,
Come on, baby! Blue, get in there!
just like the little needs they have that they hold. I don't know where specifically that is. Because we're starting to track
Shoot it!
Just gonna hop back in. So we can do a couple indoor games.
Get it back in there!
Teaches them to smack the ball. But yeah, we'll see.
You can hit it with your shoulder.
You can ditch it.
Oh.
The ball.
Get it, go Blue! Come on, Blue! Come on, Blue! Get ready, Blue, get ready! Let's go. Monte! Go, Taylor! He's up, Taylor! Come on, Taylor! Send it up, let's go!
I did hear that too, I guess. Yeah.